When you're on the road in the city, effective communication can make all the difference. This is the PNI VHF 300 antenna, designed for clear communication in the VHF band, ideal for taxis and professional vehicles. A good antenna ensures strong signal and clear communication, essential for everyday safety and efficiency. The antenna works in the VHF range from 134 to 174 MHz, with over 2 dB gain and a low standing wave ratio for stable performance. The magnetic base allows fast and stable installation on the vehicle's body, with no complicated setup. Perfect for taxis, and also suitable for other mobile communication applications in professional use. Choose the PNI VHF 300 antenna for stable, clear communication. Check the link in the comments.